Well, we've arrived at Edgewater, and as you can see, there's plenty of room in the parking lot to turn around if you're dragging a boat behind you. You've got some frozen ballyhoo, shrimp, anything you need, ice. Looks like there's a bait cleaning or a fish cleaning station over here, excuse me. The ramp itself, you know, it backs down, it's concrete, it's about 14, 16 feet wide, and plenty of pier space there to tie your boat off of and then get your trailer out of the way. And as we pan over to the right, you're gonna notice there are some tiki huts, kind of cool, and somebody's doing a little fishing there. And as we come back across, you see there's 2 ice machines that you can purchase ice at, and we've got some kayaks down there mounted on the side of the facility. I'm pretty sure those are available. And as we come around to the front, this is where you will go in and register. And as you drive through, it's pretty wide. I'm driving a Gladiator. This is the back side of the single unit rooms. And there's a pool over here, and you're fixing to see right here off to your left is where you will park your trailer. So they do have trailer parking. I'm not totally sure exactly how many trailers you can get back there, but obviously there is trailer parking and a ramp. This is the 2-story.
All right, so we are in the 2-story townhouse at Edgewater on Long Key. It's Long Key in Layton, in the Keys. First, big kitchen. Actually, quite a bit of cabinet space. I don't think we're gonna be here long enough to warrant this kind of space. It's older, very typical Keys. Older refrigerator, nice and cold, full size, good for fishing, keeping your bait in. It's clean.
It smells
older. Yeah. First walk in, it definitely smells like they've been in here with the cleaning agents. We have a spectacular view, and it looks like some beach space right in front of our room, so we can actually head out. Whoop. All right, so we've got loungers down here, which is nice. Little dock. We've got more than enough chairs on our little patio, so.
There is a whole bunch of, there's a pull-out bed, and there's also linens and blankets.
Does it? It's got cookware, everything. Convection. Oh, okay. Yeah, did you find glasses and, okay, yeah. Pretty much everything here is empty. Yeah.
It fits 6 people, so that's 6 of them.
It's enough, right? Downstairs bathroom. I mean, it's clean. That's all you can ask for. And pretty darn spacious. So, larger bedrooms. So if you're coming up here with friends, kind of like we did, girls' weekend and 3 of us, I mean, not much of a view, but you've got your own private deck out here.
Yeah, it's a beautiful.
Yeah. And okay, there's another pull-out bed.
Yeah.
So I don't think there's gonna be
Any problem with sleeping?
any problems with sleeping arrangements. Again, another closet. I mean,
Second bathroom.
Second bathroom upstairs. It's clean. Neutrals. It is clean, so that is definitely a plus. Not even any mold or mildew in that, which is highly unlikely. Little buildup on the sink, but yeah, it does. And again, balcony number 3 on the upper level
And it has a lovely view.
master. So what do you guys think?
Not bad.
Yeah?
What it is and where it's at.
Huh? An 8. Yeah, it's definitely older. It's very keys. Very, okay. All right. Guys, if you got a bad back, I'd probably steer clear of that one. Even, you know, a mattress topper might make a difference. All right, so we have spent the night, and I just wanted to kind of do another update. I pulled out this one because there's 2 bedrooms, so my friends had each had a bedroom on this one, and I pulled this out to sleep. When I went to go get the blanket, there was a stain on it, and it wasn't a stain that didn't wash out. It was a stain and hadn't been washed. So my girlfriend lent me her beach towel, which, believe it or not, was more than enough to keep me warm and comfortable, but still should not have happened.
As you can see, we started looking a little bit more in depth, seeing what we could see as far as the little critters goes. They were spraying the entire facility while we were here. We did notice that, and as you can see, what we did find were dead. So obviously, you know, they were trying to and are taking care of the problem. So overall, I mean, you heard earlier we gave the place an 8. And sometimes, you know, things would be expected, and they could have actually wiped everything out before they actually rented the room out. But then again, they were taking care of the problem.
All right, well, I hope this helped everybody. This is Laura. Stand by.
If you're looking for a place to do some fishing, park your trailer, have your boat right there with you on the Atlantic, Edgewater on Lone Key is going to fit all that, and it's going to be a pretty nice place, and you can see the view is beautiful. Now overall, it was an 8 like we said, and I'd like to point out that everything in the Keys is older, and you know, you got to have expectations. Now at the end of all of it, guys, I hope we gave you something to look forward to, help you out when you're looking for a place, and like and subscribe, leave some comments, let us know how we're doing. Remember, guys, live life to the fullest as if you're retired. You only got one life to live, and you got to make the best of it.